I have two accounts connected. I just add them from this button. Okay. I have three properties. Okay, this one, and this one. So if I want to add an annotation, let's say for up to you. Okay, this is test property. Here I will type up to you. Here is the property. Let's put it on the 7. Okay, this is up to you. Let's add another one for high intent. Property. Testing. Put in 28, and here I remove this one and I will type high intent. This is the property. If I go to the annotations, properties, this is high intent on high intent, and up to you for the up to you one. I will go to the Google Analytics. I have here, okay, and right now, filter by properties, no filter, so I see all of them, okay, the high intent and the up to you. If I want to filter, filter only up to you. It's refreshing. I have here only the up to you. If I want to filter the property high intent, I have only the property of high intent. If you want to use your properties on the API, here you have instructions for Zapier in many ways. I will just show you how to use the property. The rest you can check on the instructions here. I will open the documentation. I go to post, and you have this parameter. Okay, you need to copy it. You go to your Zap. Okay, I assume you already know how to do all this. If not, you just check the instructions like I show you. And I will add here, okay, this. And here I need to insert the number of the property. I go to the analytics count. Let's say I want the up to you. Okay, this is the ID for API. I take this number and okay, this is all I need to do to send the annotations for this Zap, for the API, to this property, the up to you. Turn on. I will do a test. Event name, this is up to you. Testing API, Zapier API. Okay, the data will keep empty here. Let's put this one just in case. Alright, it's saved. I will wait like 1-2 minutes. Okay, let's refresh. And here it is, test an API in properties, up to you. Okay, and because I keep the date empty, it's on today. Let's see it on the graph. Okay, let's select up to you, apply. Okay, the default of Google Analytics is not showing today, so let's change this. Include today, and it will show here. Let's refresh. Okay, here it is. This is the up to you, and the up to you. As you can see, the high intent is not showing. Okay, if I no filter, now I haven't all. This is the high intent, the up to you, and the API.